Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the Punnawithi BTS stop. So head up that way, about a half a mile. That's where True Digital Park is. And I'm at Soi 101, Soi Punnawithi, and I am pointing back in the direction of Asok in the central Bangkok. I'm just gonna walk with this guy. These guys know how to cross the street. And I'm gonna see what is out this way. So, the farther you get away from central Bangkok, less modern and developed it is, but it's also less expensive. And you'll start running into less people that know how to speak English. So if you want to make your life a little easier, you got the money to afford it, staying down in like Prong Pong, Tong Lo areas, the Sok, that's like the easiest place to adjust, because there's more people that speak English there. It's the highest number of tourists, English-speaking tourists there. So I think if I moved out here, I'd want to be in that area. I'd probably get do a Thai language school for a while, get my at least conversational Thai down before I'd ever really want to venture out into areas where they speak very little English. You can only get so far on like trying to mime stuff, pointing at stuff. But there's a lot of condos out here. This one's called The Line. There was another one over there, right there. That's the Room, Sukhumvit 42. It's kind of weird that Sukhumvit Soi 42 is over there and it's 101 on this side. So the numbers are way off. They don't line up. Odd numbers are way higher, like double as high as the even numbers on the other side. So far, there's not much as far as shops and stuff go. And this is a Monday. And I don't know what it is about Mondays in Thailand, but Mondays are like Sundays in the United States. There's more, like Chick-fil-A is not open on Sunday. There's other people that, for religious reasons, don't work on Sunday. And I don't know if it's a religious thing or what, but that's how Mondays are in Thailand. More things are closed on Monday than any other day of the week. So you see a lot of shops all closed up. I'm assuming that's what's going on. It's just Monday. And I was wanting to go to like some museums, art galleries and stuff. They're all closed on Monday. So just keep that in mind when you're planning things. And I'm about 5 miles from the Asok BTS stop where I'm staying. So to get down there, And they say it takes a half hour on the BTS. It didn't feel like that long, but it would depend on what time of day too, how busy it is. Nice little green area. So I think this would be too far out for me. That True Digital Park place is cool. That was kind of one place I wanted to check out. But there's not really much around it. It's kind of a little modern oasis in the middle of, you know, what you're seeing here, which is not, you know, I don't see any shops or any other thing that would attract you to live out here. So it doesn't seem like it'd be worth saving a couple $100 on a condo. Be this far out. Helmet area, 100%. Construction going on. Now we're coming up on the Bang Chak BTS stop. So, Punnawithi, I'd say I'm checking off my list. And I'll make some more videos just walking from the BTS stop back towards the center of Bangkok, like I would consider the center. At least that's the center of the expat world. Some Thai people might consider the center somewhere else. Down to Sukhumvit, Soi 99. So that's it. It's about a 9-minute walk between BTS stops. So that gives you a little look at what's between the Punnawithi and the Bang Chak BTS. So catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.